Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the 3 minutes at 3 with the lady of the hour right here that's going to be kind of leading up this whole little shindig. Co-host. Okay, yeah, she's going to co-host this whole little project. So this is going to be the first official little 3 minutes at 3, and then, we're going to keep adding to these. And, this one's just going to be a little bit of an informational about the series that we're going to be doing.
Yep. We're going to do all sorts of business topics. They're going to be probably completely random. So as we go along, feel free to leave comments or if you have any recommendations or things you would like to hear more about, drop those in the comments. But we'll be doing things like dealing with customers or, perhaps a little bit about places you can sell, just in a shortened, summarized version. And kind of like some holiday, whatever holidays coming up, we may do some things revolving around that as well.
Yeah, and the great thing about doing like a 3 minutes at 3, it doesn't take us a lot of time to take and put these together. And so we could cover like a lot of topics and, things that are very pertinent for that time. So say it's Thanksgiving, we can cover like Thanksgiving topics, like how to market better during Thanksgiving. And, or if it's Christmas, or if it's, what's the one coming up here? We're in the spring now, Valentine's Day, right? And, those type holidays, since it doesn't take us a lot of time, and it doesn't take much of your time, it's a very quick business chat, and that hopefully you guys can find a lot of good information on that as well.
Yeah, so again, this will be a daily thing. We plan on doing it every day, and you can look for it the 3 p.m. That's Eastern time, of course, where we are at here in Ohio in the U.S. So
it might not be 3 o'clock your time. We apologize for that, but it'll be 3 p.m. Eastern time, Eastern Standard Time every day. Every day of the week. We're going to do Monday through Friday. Yeah.
Yeah. Sounds good.
So that's what we're planning on for this like little business series, and I hope you guys will enjoy that. And then we also got some other big plans for more in-depth videos as well, and presentations on business and stuff like that, and how you can take and supply your own needs as an artist.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, or if you're just considering going into blacksmithing as well for selling your wares. So, all right. Well, it looks like we've used our 3 minutes.
Yep.
We'll catch you on the next one.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Bye.